Hey there, design lovers. Can I let you in on a juicy little secret? Having a small kitchen doesn't mean you're doomed to sacrifice style. In fact, with a few clever tricks up your sleeve, those cramped cooking quarters can become a showpiece that packs a serious punch. Trust me, I've taken my fair share of pint-sized spaces from pitiful to positively drool-worthy. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive headfirst into the delicious world of big design ideas for small kitchens. I have plenty of tips to share, from color palettes that visually expand your space to lighting techniques that'll make it feel refreshingly airy. We'll even explore creating an eye-catching focal point with a show-stopping backsplash and streamlining every nook and cranny for maximum efficiency. But that's not all, folks. I'll also dish on the joys of open shelving, multi-functional furniture, and minimalist aesthetics that turn compact kitchens into serene sanctuaries. So grab a notepad and maybe a snack, because this will be a wild ride through the land of small space ingenuity. Your dream kitchen awaits. Have you ever walked into a small kitchen and felt like the walls were closing in on you? It's a claustrophobic feeling that can instantly zap the joy out of cooking and entertaining. But fear not, my design-savvy friends. With some strategic color choices, even the tiniest kitchens can radiate an airy, open vibe. Let's start with the obvious solution. Light colors are your best friend. White kitchens have skyrocketed in popularity for a reason. They reflect the most natural light, creating an airy, expansive feel. But don't feel limited to just plain white. A palette of soft creams, dreamy pastels, or light cool tones like icy blues and pale grays can work wonders, too. The key is using a single light color for the cabinets and walls. This seamless look eliminates harsh lines and creates the illusion of uninterrupted space. It's like giving your kitchen a deep breath of fresh air. Of course, you can always add warmth and texture through wood accents or patterned tiles. A sneaky designer trick can make even the smallest kitchens feel more open. Paint your trim and moldings a shade or two lighter than the walls. This subtle contrast creates the illusion of taller ceilings and expanded square footage. It's like giving your kitchen a little boost in high heels. So there you have it, my color-loving comrades. A few simple palette swaps can work magic on cramped cooking quarters. Who says style has to suffer in a small space? Now you're armed with all the colorful ammunition to make that kitchenette sing.